Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to shut down in Monopoly Go. Firstly, open Monopoly Go on your phone. By tapping on the Go, keep rolling. Now go to the bank heist. Then match any 3 to steal. Finally, when you match the 3, you can steal from the bank heist. Then try the way to earn money quickly. That is to go for a shutdown. Here, pay a visit to your opponent's board. Now, select the landmark which you want to destroy. Destroy it and get more money. So this is how you can shut down in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share. Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get more tokens in Monopoly Go. The first step is to go to Monopoly Go. Wait till the home page of the game is launched. Then get your own tokens. So for a token, you may select anything that's symbolic to you in one way or the other. You have to choose small objects. Another way to get more tokens is to look for expansion packs as they offer additional tokens. Apart from this, try creating and designing your own tokens. This can be done by deploying various crafts material. So, in essence, adding more tokens doesn't necessarily mean any change in the game tactics. It is merely a way to personalize your game according to your interest-based themes. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share. Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to send a link in Monopoly Go. First of all, open